HyperX ALLOY FPS mechanical keyboard. So the box packaging looks good. I mean, they have a lot of details. Specifications are all in the back, and you can see that the weight of this keyboard is pretty noticeable. It's not like your normal membrane keyboard, which is very lightweight. It's heavy, and it's heavy for a reason. So let me go ahead and open up the box, and let's see what else is there in the box. And also we'll give a quick tour of this HyperX keyboard, and this is using the MX cherry keys. So I heard this is a blue cherry keys, so they are really good for so MX blue, and they give you a good tactile feedback. So let me open up. So we have another box inside this box. First off, we have this nice good quality pouch. So this pouch can be used to carry this keyboard wherever you are traveling to. If you're traveling to a gaming tournament or something like that, you can use this pouch, and this will protect your keyboard from any impact damages. Okay, so then we have some instruction manual, which I think none of us is going to read. Okay, so it's pretty heavy, and it's heavy for a reason. As I said, it's got this charging port, and also the connectivity port, which is used to connect it to the gaming console. Okay, let's keep aside and see what else is there in the box. So we have extra textured keys. So this will be useful for gamers to identify the keys just by texture. And then we have a good quality cable. Right from the cable, you can see how HyperX has given importance to quality of the product. And we have the keyboard already set up there. Lighting controls can be changed suiting your needs. So this one is breathing mode, and then this one is everything is lit, always on. This one only the keys which you strike gets lit up. And here is a kind of a breathing effect which we get the moment you press, and that's where the wave starts, kind of a wave light. And this one is the wave light which goes on always. And this one lights up only the ASD keys, so that it's useful for gamers to just to play them. So that's it.
And also here's an idea. So the breathing effect. So I'll be executing a standard gaming combo in Dota 2, and this is what it's gonna look like in game. I'm sorry. Yep. So that is what it would look like.